welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this very glam wing eyeliner, red lips kind of look. Today I was wearing my romper for the first time that you guys are going to see in a yard sale haul, and yes, I felt like doing something extra. So we are going to also be using the goodies that Christy sent me, and we're going to start off by priming our eyes with Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be using the Natasha Denona little mini nude palette. And we're going to be picking up the lightest matte brown in the palette, and we're going to apply that in the crease with windshield wiper motions. And when we get to the outer corner, I'm kind of doing circular motions, and we're really working that shade in there, picking up a little at a time, just building it up, because these shades are pigmented. Next up, I'm using the Balm Batter Up eyeshadow stick, and these are so pretty and creamy. They don't tug on your lids, and it lasted all day long without creasing. I am so happy to be using all these awesome products, girl. Thank you again for sending them to me. We're using the lightest shimmery shade in the Natasha Denona palette, and I am applying that all over the lid, patting motions, really pressing it into the eyeshadow stick. And we're also going to be applying that in the inner corner, and we're going to bring it into the crease a little bit. And I have to keep cleaning out my inner corner there, but that's neither here nor there. So, oh yes, just keep it blending that out. And while we're doing this look, I wanted to talk about maybe drop me, and we're going to be picking up the darkest shade, matte shade in the palette, and we're applying that in the outer corner with a pencil brush, and I'm just going to build that up and blend it out. So in the comment section below, what is your favorite kind of guilty pleasure music to listen to? Like music that most people probably don't know that you listen to. What is your favorite song, an artist? And mine is I feel like this is so bad too, but it is Lil Peep. And my favorite song by Lil Peep, or well, his name is Lil Peep, is Haunt You. I love that song, and I like Life is Beautiful. And yes, I really like his voice. I like him as an artist. I don't support that he passed away from using drugs or anything of that nature, but his voice is amazing, absolutely amazing. And yes, I don't condone drugs either, so just that's neither here nor there, but that is one of them. And then the other one, but I don't, this is not a hidden one or anything, but I really like Noah Cyrus. Yes, Miley Cyrus's sister. Amazing voice. She is literally up there with Adele for me. I love her voice, but I only like her song Again, and the Live or Die one she did with Lil Xan. I really like that one too. So yes, leave me a comment below telling me about your favorite guilty pleasure kind of artist. So anyways, we're going to tightline, and we're using this Unshakeable liquid eyeliner. There's going to be a review coming soon on this, and I'm going to use that to line the upper lash line. And look how pigmented that is. It goes on very nice, and we're going to wing it out. Now, I haven't done a wing liner in so long that this is not perfect by any means, but perfect enough for me. So yes, the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit is amazing. It's such a great mascara, and I really love that it doesn't make my lashes like stiff and like crunchy. They actually still stay soft, and they don't have any flaking throughout the day or anything. For lips, I'm using one of the matte liquid lipsticks from AOA Studio, and I'll have the name of that in the bottom. And from this alternative rock palette from the Balm, I am using the contour, blush, and look how pigmented that contour is. I cannot get over some of these products. They are so nice. Thank you again for sending them to me. I cannot thank you enough. I am in love, especially with the contour, blush, and highlighting of these little palettes here. I haven't got to play with them much, but I am going to. Been kind of busy. And yes, so that is the contour. And the blush is so pigmented and pretty. And I do come off with a heavy hand and I'm like, oh geez. But we're going to fix it. We're going to blend it out. They blend out phenomenally. So easy. So no worries there. And it's just so pretty. Such a pretty blush. And for the highlight part of it, I'm going to be using the Mary Luminizer quad. I keep tripping over my words here. And of course I'm testing out Mary Luminizer. I had to use her first. And she is so stunning in real life as she is on YouTube. And thanks again. Thank you so much for these products. They're amazing. And I cannot wait to get in and play with them more. And yes, we're just highlighting all of our areas. We're going to blend that out as well, like always. And our look is pretty much done. I'm loving how it came out. And Hard Candy Setting Spray in Glow. And at first, I did not like this setting spray because it spit glitter out of my face. But if you shake it before you do, it gives a very nice, beautiful glow to your skin. And that is the look completed. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready with me. Don't forget to leave me some comments about what's your favorite music that you listen to that some or most might not know that you listen to. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as product list, and stay tuned for more tutorials.